This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix notifications not working or showing up issues on iPhone. So if you're getting messages from Facebook but your iPhone doesn't showing the notification, just follow these quick solutions to fix this issue. First of all, make sure to turn off Do Not Disturb mode and turn off silent mode. Increase the ringer volume and turn off low power mode. Go to settings, tap on battery, disable low power mode, and then check the issue. After doing these settings, you should get notifications. The second solution is enable notification for the specific app. Go to settings, notifications, tap on scheduled summary. Make sure to turn off scheduled summary. And now tap on the problematic app you are not getting notification. Enable allow notifications. Enable lock screen notification center banners. Enable sounds, badges, show previewers, select always, and then check the issue. And the last solution is reset all settings. Go to general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix your notification not showing issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.